Hello friends, myself Dr. Ajay Kumar Tiwari, Associate Professor, Mahasi Arvind College of Pharmacy, Jaipur. In today's presentation, I am going to demonstrate how to use different tools in PowerPoint presentation. There are the amazing tools in PowerPoint presentation which can be used to create the PowerPoint presentation quite impressive and effective. The learning outcomes of this presentation, after watching this video, you will be able to identify the utility of different tools in PowerPoint presentation. Use these tools to create an impressive presentation. You can also create your own template by changing design and layout of slide in presentation as per your choice. You will also be able to use grid and guide options to arrange the text, graphics, etc. systematically. Along with that, you can also adjust configuration, that is screen mode of presentation, to make a video presentation through this PPT. And finally, you will also be able to install fonts in PC or laptop at presentation place. As the reflection is poured, I need to ask few of the questions before proceeding with this video. While creating PowerPoint presentation, do you think to make your own personalized template? While preparing presentation slides, do lineup and alignment of objects on slides matters? Have you ever felt the need to change the screen mode of your presentation while you create a video presentation through PPT? While presenting, do you face the problem of disturbing content of presentation slides because of missing fonts? Pause the video, think of the questions, write down the answer in your notebook, then play the video. Here, the first and foremost tool to design your own personalized template. For that purpose, you'll find the option in your MS PowerPoint slide. In ribbon bar, you will be having the option as view. So while you click the view option, you will find the slide master over here. So while clicking the slide master, you will get a new ribbon and multiple options to create your own template. Now I will demonstrate how to design the own template. Here, for that purpose, you need to take the fresh new presentation. So you can create your new presentation over here. Yes, this is the layout of new presentation. If you go for the view option, you will find the slide master over here. If you click the slide master, you have the multiple formats over here. The second one is your title slide. So here, after selecting this title slide, you may just rearrange replace the title of the slide and the subtitle of the slide. The title of the slide we have over here, and the font may also be changed by getting the option from home. You can choose any of the option from the fonts, and you may resize them, color them, make them bold accordingly. For the subtitle also, after selecting the text box, you may go for the home option and change the fonts accordingly. Now, if you want to place the logo of your institution or some images in the title slide, you may go for the insert option and take the picture. I am taking the logo of my college. You may resize it. You may place it at the center of this slide by drag and drop. Yes, now it looks quite impressive. Yes, now our title slide is ready. Now for the content slides, we'll choose the next slide over there, and we may choose the font size and other things by selecting the text box of title and content. So if you want the logo on the content slides also, somewhere at the corner of this slide, you may take the copy of the logo from the title slide and then come to the content slide and paste them, and by resizing it and dragging and drop to the place where you want, you will get the your perfect own template for the creating of your presentation. So by closing this master view, you may see over here. This is the title slide. The logo cannot be disturbed then, and along with that, if you choose the new slides for your content, you will automatically get the logo at the corner of the slide. So by this way you may design your own template. Now comes to another tool, that is designing grid and guide options. So these are the important options which are available in almost all presentation slide softwares. The tool is for lineup and alignment of objects and contents on your slides. The tool is important to make a well-designed slides for impressive presentation. So here in the ribbon bar, if you choose the view option, you will get the options for grid and guide. So by clicking them all, you can use them, and it have three components over here. Ruler, which is for to measure and line up objects in document. Grid line options can be used to align objects in documents, and another and last one is guide option. It shows adjustable drawing guides to which you can align the object on your slide. So likewise, I will just demonstrate them all. In this you can see the view option in the ribbon bar. You will be having and see the impact of these three all. Ruler, you will get the scale over here. Then grid lines, you will get the dotted box on your slide for the better lineup of the content, and the guide option will give the centric view of your slide. You may see the difference over here. Yes, likewise. So by this way you may use the grid and guide options for the better lineup and alignment of the content on your slide. I'll just give an example by placing this logo on the slide, and by dragging and drop to the center, it will be very hard and difficult to place it perfectly. So just by taking the help of grid and guideline option and the format option over here in the ribbon bar, I'll go for the format option, then align. So here with the alignment option, I'll just choose the align center, align middle. Yes, now it is perfectly placed over here. Another example, we can take the multiple images and texts in the slide, and now I need to arrange them all. So by drag and drop, it will be a very tedious and time consuming process. So I'll just select all the shapes in one time and go for the format option, then go for the alignment, and I'll choose align middle. So by this way these alignment is there. Now the shapes of different images is also disturbing. We can say make them uniform for all the images through this option. Yes, now I'll place them at the center, at the middle of. Yes, now one more thing I need to do, distribute them horizontally and move them to the center of slide. Yes, now it is perfect. Now the multiple images can be converted after alignment in a single image by pressing the Ctrl G. Yes, now it is a single image. Now for the text also, I'll go for the text also. The same procedure will be adopted over here. The alignment, align middle, align, distribute horizontally. Yes, now it looks quite perfect, and I can move them the text to the objects, and by selecting all the objects on this slide, I'll just convert them into single image by pressing Ctrl G. Yes, now it can be taken anywhere to the slide with the perfect alignment. Now if we take the chemical reaction as an example over here, we have this, I just placed the content on the slide previously to save the time by choosing the multiple objects. Yes, I need to align them the titles of the reactions perfectly. So I'll go for the align left and align vertically. Yes, now these are lined up. Now for the images, I have the multiple text box. So I'll just select them all and go for the format option, alignment, align to the middle. Yes, now it looks perfect, and by pressing the Ctrl G, I'll just convert the multiple images to the single. Now for another reaction components, I'll just do the same thing. Align middle, align, distribute them horizontally, convert them into single image and place them perfectly below the above equation. Similarly for the third reaction, I'll just go for the format option, align to middle, then to distribute them horizontally and convert them into single image. Yes, now these reactions and the alignment looks perfect. By selecting them all, I'll convert them into single image. Yes, over here you can see it now looks quite perfect and impressive. So these are the multiple options over here. We can use them to line up and align the content. Now the another tool is installing fonts. So sometimes while go for the presentation, we need our font which has been used while preparing or creating the presentation. So if we do not have them at the presentation site, we may get the disturbing alignment or disturbing content in our slides over there. So we must carry font setup files used in your presentation to the presentation site. So here in this my computer, you will find them, the fonts which has been used in your presentation in the local C disk, Windows and fonts folder. So you may copy them all and take them to the presentation site and install them into laptop and PC where you are going to present them. So friends, happy learning. For further queries and suggestions, you may contact to my mail ID and contact number. Thank you.